So today we're looking at this LeetCode easy problem 160, um, intersection of two linked lists. Uh, Given the head of two singly linked lists, head A, head B, return the node at which the two lists intersect. If the two lists intersect, lists have no intersection, return null. So basically, given a lot of examples here, and it's quite verbose. But basically, we're trying to check if the linked list if there's a node that matches, like for example, we have these two. If you go through here, you got C1 that one over here, 8, and then 2. Uh, the easiest way to do this is basically you have a head one with the head A and head 2 is equal to head B. Let me say while H1 is not equal to H2, and say if H1 is not equal to null, you check the next head. You just basically go through it, and the same should be done for the second one. Um, but in case the head if in case you're at the end of the list, so the trick here is what you do is um, you swap the list. Basically, you say H1 is equal to head B, and you do the same thing is equal to head A. So basically, let's say we start here, we compare these two, then we're here, then we're comparing these two, and then this one, when then A, when we're here, A is on this one, and B becomes here, and then next step, A and B are, A is going to be here, B is going to be here, and they compare, and then they'll match here. So basically, if you look at the example, they've kind of designed them in a certain way that it's a node or two behind from the other one, and when we swap the nodes, uh, what we can do is uh, basically what we can check if the nodes are equal or not. Um, so what we have to do here is yeah, so once we so if we say if H1 is equal to H2, then you return H1, else it's going to return none. Let me check if there are any errors in this code. Expected line 17. this. I'm able to submit this.